Alright, it's time to leave the nether, so let's build our nether portal. And bro, I'm missing 1 obsidian. Do I have any more in my inventory? No, I don't. Wait, what if I run until the sky turns red, which means we're in a nether waste biome, and then using my netherrack, I build an area for mobs to spawn. Okay, AFK quickly, and I'm back. Good, some zombie piglins spawned in. Let's kill them, take their gold nuggets, and craft gold ingots. That's enough. Let's go. I'm gonna AFK again. Nice, piglin spawned. Now, if we use the gold we got from the zombified piglins and trade with the piglins, oh my god, they're hitting me so much. Let me make gold armor quickly. Okay, I better get obsidian or I quit, bro. Finally, let's go.